Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi. If you are not, welcome back. Today, well, wait, let me rewind. If you are new here, we talk fashion, beauty, and home decor. My name is Keisha. I go by the Fashion Sherlock on all of my social channels. If you like talking about any of those topics, please hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing a little live unboxing. I've not done a video yet on a live unboxing, so this will be my first. Let's see how it goes. Let me know if you like what I'm gonna do here. All right, as you can tell, I had to move some things around because, you know, it was like very bare and we needed like something going on behind this box. But anyway, okay, so let's start off with what's inside the box and what we're gonna talk about today. So, the Coach Tabby pillow bag. That's what we're gonna unbox today. I have not owned a Coach bag in over maybe 15 years. I don't know. So that was my first designer bag that I had, was a Coach bag. My mom loved Coach when I was younger. You know, I would steal all her bags and wear it to school. I had the Coach belt. I had the Coach shoes. I had lots of Coach bags. I don't know, as I got older, I just didn't feel like, I don't know, none of the styles really spoke to me as an adult. But then they came out with this Tabby pillow bag. Now, I don't know if I'm liking the bag because I'm seeing it everywhere, but I don't know, something about the style is drawing me in. As I said, it could be because I'm seeing it everywhere, so I'm like, ooh, I need it. But I don't know, something about it, because, you know, I have really had my eyes set on maybe like a year back, the Maison Margiela, the glam bag, and that had that same kind of pillow look, but I never found it at the right price point that I was willing to pull the trigger. So, you know, it's still in the same aesthetic and style of a bag that I love and I was looking for, and I have not been able to get. So I think that is another reason too why I've been gravitating towards this particular bag. So let's talk about the bag. So this Tabby style is actually an archival revival of a style that they've had since the 1970s. They just made a really cute update to it in this pillowy look. If you do go on the Coach website, they do have other variations of this Tabby style available that does not have this pillow look. So this is not like something brand new to the brand. They just did a remix or update of a style that is archival and is currently available in other variations. Okay, enough talking. Let's open the box. Okay, so I opened the bags up from inside of the box. Let's talk a little bit more. So the bag is currently on the Coach website in 4 colors. So they have a beige, they have a black, they have a green, and they have a pink. It also comes in an orange color and a gray, but I didn't see those on the Coach website. I did not go look at this bag in a store, just because I don't feel like going all the way to the mall. And I don't know, I just tend to do most of my shopping online. I did try to see if anyone had a discount or coupon code, but everybody was excluding this bag. Even Macy's, they had a friends and family. They had other Coach bags that you could redeem the percentage off. But yeah, this bag was not eligible. So I did pay retail. That's a little bit hard for me, but yeah, I paid retail. But you know, it's a good price point. It wasn't too high. And I was initially going to get it from Coach, but I did it at Nordstrom because I had Nordstrom notes, and those notes made it, you know, almost on sale. So it's almost like a discount. And if you use your Nordstrom card, you can get more points on your card. So that's why I opted for getting it at Nordstrom. Now, the Nordstrom here in Charlotte did not have this style in stock. That's why I didn't, you know, give you the store experience of me going and get it. So I purchased it online from Nordstrom.com. It took a few days to actually ship. I was very surprised at how long it took, but nonetheless, I got it in about like 5 days time from when I ordered it. And guys, yes, I ordered it in 2 colors because, as I mentioned, I didn't see it in person and I was kind of on the fence. Actually, about 3 colors I was on the fence about: the beige, the green, and the gray. But I opted not to get the green because I'm like, I see so many people with the green, and you know how I am about if I see everybody with it, I don't want that color. So I got the beige and the gray. So let's open them up, see how it looks in person, and see which color I prefer. Because I really don't think I need one bag in the same color. All right, so I'm gonna open up the beige one first. It came wrapped. Like hardcore. If anybody follows me on Instagram, I saw Melissa Wardrobe recently got this beige color, and I was like, oh my God, you sold me on this. Like, do I even need to see the gray? But let's see what I'm thinking in person. Okay, so the bag actually looks a little smaller than I thought it would be. Than online, but you know, that might just be me. It is a beige color, but this is more reading more ivory, guys. So it's not like an off-white. It is more of a darker, I would say more on the darker side in the beige family, which I am fine with. So yeah, so you can see it, it's very squishy. It has the C on the front in the leather as well. It has like brushed gold detailing. You know, it has the little signature Coach tag that they always do, but you know, it's squishy and puffy and pillowy as well. I'm going to, how does this bag open? Oh, okay, just like a little clasp. A magnetic clasp to open the bag up. I really thought this bag was bigger. I don't know, it appeared bigger online and when girls have it. So I'm gonna take out all this stuffing from it. Comes with a dust bag inside. Even the dust bag looks small. God, guys, I really thought this bag was bigger. Anyways, a lot of stuffing. It has 2 compartments inside. It also has a zip compartment in the middle. It's not that big inside, so I would just be careful about what you stuff in it. All right, I'm gonna be transparent, and I'm afraid about how dirty this color will get. would probably have to like treat this bag. All right, let me take this off. Sorry, someone was at my front door. So yes, it has this smaller strap so you can wear it on your shoulder. And then it includes this longer strap where you can do a little crossbody action as well, or wear it as a shoulder bag, but just a little longer, which I think is very functional. And I actually love when bags do that, giving me multiple options on how to wear it. So yes, I love that about the bag. All right, let's open up the gray one and look at it color-wise. All right, ladies, so here is the gray color. So the gray, I already took it out of its wrapping. I didn't open this up because I already showed you how the inside looks with the beige or ivory color. I kind of love this gray better than the ivory. Now let me tell you why. I'm just really scared about that ivory color. Like I could just see the amount of dirt, makeup, Tory sticky hands that's gonna get on it, and I'm kind of scared. But this gray color, I don't know, I love it. I don't even think I own any bags in this color. So, you know, this is kind of speaking to me personally. The hardware on this is a pewter color as opposed to the gold or brushed gold that was on the ivory version as well. You know, same thing, squishy, same size. I don't know. I'm just really feeling this color a little better than the other one. Let me know what your thoughts are on the colors. All right, let me hold both of them together so you can see. So here we go. Beige, gray. Now, these are both kind of like neutral colors. So it's not like one of them is like a bright color and one of them is a dark. I think both of these are a good neutral. I could wear both colors in the spring, summer, and the fall, winter. I do love that it had like minimal hardware. You know, I could even take off both of the straps and kind of just wear it like a pillowy clutch for the evening time, which I like about the bag. It was a really great price point. Let me put this one down. It was a really great price point for the bag. I don't know yet if I can give my, you know, full review of if it's worth it. I think in initial opening, I do like the bag. You know, I'm actually pleasantly surprised about the look, the feel, and the construction of this bag. As I mentioned, I have not owned a Coach bag in like years. I don't know when last I've like been in a Coach store. So the fact that this bag got me, it kind of says something. Other than that, yeah, I was drawn to it, and I'm kind of really pleasantly surprised. It is a good price point. Retails for $4.95, which I think is great. Definitely don't think it's trendy. I don't know. A lot of people now are asking, you know, is this bag worth it? Is it just a hype? But I don't know. I feel like I could see myself wearing this bag for a little bit of time and really enjoying wearing it. So that's it. I'm gonna show a few images of me kind of wearing it on my body so you can get an idea of how it looks. Leave in the comments below what you think about the bag, and also let me know what color do you prefer or what color do you think I should keep. Have you been considering this bag? And if so, let me know the color.